ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 6th of November. James Spann here, getting set for a beautiful weekend, but changes coming up next week. Let's look out the window. You are looking at Bryant-Denny Stadium on the campus of the University of Alabama. Alabama hosting LSU out there tomorrow. What a great day for a football game. Sunny with low 70s at kickoff. Same deal for the Auburn-Furman game at Jordan-Hare Stadium and the UAB homecoming game at Legion Field in Birmingham. Coleman, severe clear. Love that fall sky. And from Decatur, we're looking at the Tennessee River on a sunny early November afternoon. Much of the nation dry. We note that little shortwave coming into Baja California in the southern stream, and the prime westerlies are north of here. And down south, a tropical disturbance in the southwestern Gulf and Ida in the western Caribbean. But again, fantastic warm-up today after a cold start this morning. Some of the colder pockets in the upper 20s this morning. Birmingham at 69 at 2 o'clock. We're expecting low 70s tomorrow, mid-70s on Sunday. And the rain for the next 5 days. This looks more realistic. The graphic these guys had this morning looked a little overdone. This is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1 inch up here, with the heavier totals down south, and this would be primarily Tuesday of next week. There's the wide view, and again, there's two distinct areas. You've got the disturbance in the southwestern Gulf, or the Bay of Campeche, and then Ida, which is now in the western Caribbean. That disturbance in the southwest Gulf will more than likely mainly contribute to our rain on Tuesday, not Ida. As a closer look at Ida, the system is a tropical depression now, but should be a tropical storm fairly soon. Modeling, pretty consistent. They all move it up into the Gulf and then bend it back to the west. And again, as it gets up in the cooler water, this thing will just kind of fizzle and become extra tropical. And mainly, I think it's going to be a rain event for the Florida Peninsula. Tampa Bay, Miami, places like that. Fort Myers, Daytona Beach. And around here, Ida should not be a player. And there's the official track. They've got that thing Wednesday morning as a subtropical system, really an extratropical type storm as it develops cold core characteristics in the central Gulf, moving over toward the Florida Peninsula. Don't think it'll be an impact here. So let's look at modeling. This is the 12Z GFS valid at noon tomorrow, noon Saturday. Ridging here, so pretty mild afternoon. There's the surface chart. Bright, sunny weather with 40s in the morning, low 70s in the afternoon. Sunday, we stay sunny with mid-70s, and down south you can see that lead disturbance coming out of the western Gulf and Ida. Monday of next week, that initial disturbance comes up toward Louisiana. We stay dry during the day Monday. Ida is in the far southern Gulf, and then Tuesday, the disturbance that was over Louisiana passes through our state. Now, this is suggesting the bulk of the rain will be from Birmingham south on Tuesday, with Huntsville maybe staying dry. Don't know yet. If you're in the Tennessee Valley, we'll certainly mention a chance of rain there, but certainly from Birmingham south, Tuesday looks wet. Ida is in the eastern Gulf. Wednesday, what's left of Ida kind of goes over the Florida Peninsula, mainly just rain. Nothing really dangerous at all. And we dry out on Wednesday. The sky partly sunny. Thursday looks rain-free here. And a week from today, Friday the 13th, looks relatively quiet. And the next day, Saturday the 14th, the day of Storm Alert Extreme at the BJCC, downtown Birmingham. If you want to be a sky watcher, be trained in storm spotting, that's your deal. Little quick plug there. But anyway, that looks like a trough out west. That would be a nice day here if that's right. And the end of the forecast on the 22nd of November. Boy, the polar jet way up north around here. That suggests pretty quiet, mild weather as we approach Thanksgiving out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video by Monday morning at 7, Brian Peters. We'll have videos tomorrow and Sunday over the weekend. And, of course, if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.